To analyze Trust Wallet, create wallet. Start by understanding what Trust Wallet is. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various digital assets. The first step in analyzing Trust Wallet, create wallet is to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Create Wallet option. You will be asked to agree to the terms of service and create a password for your wallet. Next, you will be given a recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, which is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is essential to store this phrase in a safe and secure location, as it can be used to access your wallet and funds. After setting up your wallet, you can start adding cryptocurrencies to it. Trust Wallet supports a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. To add a cryptocurrency, simply click on the Receive button and select the asset you want to add. To analyze the security of your Trust Wallet, look for features such as encryption, two-factor authentication, and a secure recovery phrase. Trust Wallet uses end-to-end encryption to protect your data and funds. And it also offers two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Best practices for using Trust Wallet include always keeping your recovery phrase safe and secure, never sharing your wallet password or recovery phrase with anyone, and regularly updating your wallet app to ensure you have the latest security features. In conclusion, analyzing Trust Wallet, create wallet involves understanding how to set up and use the wallet, as well as evaluating its security features. By following best practices and taking the necessary precautions, you can use Trust Wallet to securely store and manage your digital assets.